Hello everyone, in this cloud-native Prisma Cloud demo video, we will present an overview of our comprehensive cloud workload protection capabilities for hosts, containers, and serverless functions across the entire application development lifecycle, including our web application and API security feature set. Let's start with the Radar view, where Prisma Cloud provides interactive visualizations into the live real-time security posture of hosts, containers, and serverless functions. If we click on any Radar View tab here, it will surface all of the entities Prisma Cloud is protecting across all multi-clouds or hybrid cloud deployments. For instance, we can observe the container radar, filter to container views. Here we see an interactive display of all deployed containers in multiple locations. With a single click on any of these applications, we can instantly see how Prisma Cloud surfaces the live security status of this application environment. And from the connections of just this individual entity, we can understand information not only about traffic flows, but also the latest vulnerability, compliance, and runtime intelligence that Prisma Cloud has identified related to this application. Intelligence data in Prisma Cloud originates from the Prisma Cloud intelligence stream, which includes the latest vulnerability data and our advanced threat protection with data such as IP reputation list and malware data. If we want more details about a vulnerability poster of this individual container, then we would click on the Vulnerabilities tab. Here, Prisma Cloud clearly captures and shows the severity of all the known issues. And we can instantly expand any of them to note not only the severity, but also the package, original CV source, fixed status, and any risk factors associated with this entity. Prisma Cloud provides these unified views and security capabilities for all hosts, containers, and serverless functions. Additionally, if we want to understand more about the compliance posture of this entity, then we could view that on the Compliance tab. Here in the Compliance tab, we can observe that private keys are stored in the image and gather even more security information about this specific issue. We also have the powerful layer view, where we can go layer by layer through the container build timeline to see how it was built in real time. If we want to learn everything happening globally in the environment, the powerful features under the Monitor tab surface and display all vulnerabilities and compliance issues to instantly prioritize risk and ensure compliance. Here in the Vulnerability Explorer, we offer top 10 lists across images, hosts, and serverless functions. It's an easy view to understand proprietary risk score of the most severe risks in your environment correlated to each individual CV risk factor. If a CV exists across your infrastructure, Prisma Cloud will pull all security intelligence into an isolated CV view so you can quickly understand and respond to risks in a simplified way. And we can click to expand this risk tree and observe instantly which exact hosts this image is running on. We can also gain awareness of the specific risk profile and note it is quite high for this particular issue here because it's clearly shown the container was deployed without a mandatory security profile and the container has listening ports and is running as root. And that all adds to the overall security rating. Other CV risk factors that Prisma Cloud has identified and correlated are shown visually as well and are accounted for in that overall reported risk score. Importantly, Prisma Cloud can observe vulnerability data across the entire application lifecycle from this single Vulnerability Explorer view. We can look at code repositories, images, expand our insights into deployed builds or registries, and then leverage the powerful CV viewer to look for a specific CVE. On the Compliance Insight side, Prisma Cloud offers similar global environment view with the Compliance Explorer. Here it shows all pre-built compliance checks, as well as custom compliance checks that we have implemented. In one click, we can dive into individual compliance insights and data, just like in the Radar view. And we can also export this compliance data in usable formats to quickly report on any security compliance. Even more, all of the security checks that you see here and all the vulnerability settings are fully customizable within Prisma Cloud. For example, in the Vulnerabilities Rules tab, we can seamlessly add new rules that govern alerting or blocking across the entire application lifecycle. So with Prisma Cloud, we can apply custom rules to containers or images based on name or across hosts or other entities in the environment. And then in advanced settings, we may also set certain conditions like applying a blocking rule where there is a fix from a vendor, which is available. Prisma Cloud also has the ability to customize rules across hosts, containers, and serverless function for compliance. Within the Containers and Images tab, when we add rule for a new compliance, we quickly have access to pre-built Prisma Cloud compliance settings that populate the appropriate compliance rules for this selected compliance standard. And Prisma Cloud automatically adjusts nearly 400 checks across all of our infrastructure with this feature, and we can quickly customize any of these pre-built default checks to a specific preference. Our compliance checks similarly apply to hosts and serverless functions, and we also provide other globally powerful compliance capabilities, such as trusted images. Here we can add the rules that isolate the original source of your images to ensure that your development or DevOps team does not pull or deploy images from unwanted sources. And for simple customization of compliance checks, we can use Prisma Cloud Code Editor. And moving on to the runtime protection. These are some of the powerful runtime capabilities within Prisma Cloud. Runtime protection is available for hosts, containers, and serverless functions. We can automatically build a model of known application behavior and completely lock it down or compare any new activity against the baseline measurements. Here, with a single click into a container, we can see that we have an existing active runtime container model mapped to the secure hash algorithm ID for this image. And I can quickly see all the known process, networking, file system, or protection capabilities that Prisma Cloud automatically identifies because the Prisma Cloud Defender agent is deployed in this environment. And the same applies to host observations. Any runtime event that deviates from the Prisma Cloud behavior model will generate either a security events audit or a runtime incident alert. All Prisma Cloud audits are correlated across containers, hosts, and serverless functions. So we can see, for instance, several audits across the entire infrastructure where unusual activity occurred, or what automated defense actions Prisma Cloud put into effect. We could have alerted on the security incident or block the threat, and we can dive further into details for additional analysis. There are many different event types here and associated security outcomes that we could observe. For example, if we go to host audits, we can audit observed host behavior, host log inspection, host file integrity, and any other host activities. And lastly, for this demo video, let's look at the incident response and forensics. Here, Prisma Cloud captures all security incidents and associated forensic data and stores it securely for analysis with powerful Incident Explorer view. Surface the threat category, the kill chain of audit items in the incident, and you can explore and learn from the View Live Forensic tab to quickly know the details of what happened. You can see forensic timeline events, such in this case, the unexpected process, and browse a historical footprint to understand and observe everything about this incident. Then export this data for further analysis or reporting. Now in Prisma Cloud, we have both agent-based and agentless defenders for cloud workload protection. Our agent-based defenders are lightweight and easy to install. We have support for host auto-defend and serverless auto-defend. So when you spin up a VM or serverless function, the agent is automatically deployed to defend those workloads. All of our defenders are enriched by intelligence stream, wildfire malware detection. And if that's not enough, you can also add your own custom intelligence feeds. Hope you enjoyed this demo video of Prisma Cloud. Thank you so much for attending. And for more information, visit Prisma Cloud at paloaltonetworks.com. Thank you.